you know, there's some people that, even though they got accepted, in reality, they were not really dynamic duos. They just happen to be friends enough. But then, that lockdown period would have been hard.
Yeah.
You know, I can't imagine if I was, let's say I was with a babe and we were not that close. It would have taken me a while, you know, to even do things like go to the toilet comfortably, you know, like be able to fully express myself.
Exactly.
Do you understand? So that's why I'm always tackling, what do you call it, Kellyrae. Because, guy, like, just from being a human being, it's difficult to say, like, okay, you guys went through the application process together. Okay, cool. Nothing did it. They now put you in lockdown for 2 weeks, right? Then when you now came into the house for 5 weeks, you were a dynamic duo. Do you understand? And then just the way this guy is.
Exactly.
Like, people fall in love and catch feelings for a lot less.
Exactly.
You know, so you can't tell me that after 7 weeks or 2 weeks lockdown, 9 weeks, that you know, all of a sudden, you know, feeling, and especially you already told us before that you guys have gone through feelings for each other back and forth. So there's no way, but there's no way after all the protection, after all the ups and downs together.
So are you guys official now?
No, they're not official, but I'm always tackling them like, something go don't grow or inside both of them. Like, the point I'm trying to make is that what this guy truly wants would be to be in a romantic setting, no cameras around.
Do you know that?
Himself,
no, bro, you know,
head like this.
You grab her booty.
No, bro, see.
Oh, Kassia.
And maybe grab some booty.
No, listen, bro.
You don't say nobody want to give everybody.
No, see.
Like all you guys have to do is go and listen to your my party for live speech and your presentation in the beginning.
No mind now.
If there's anybody, right? Because at the end of the day, we're not getting any younger. Number one.